The antidote for 50 enemies is one friend. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Happiness depends upon ourselves. What is a friend? A single soul dwelling in two bodies. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. Well begun is half done. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. He who is to be a good ruler must have first been ruled. Anybody can become angry, that is easy, but to be angry with the right person and to the right degree and at the right time and for the right purpose, and in the right way, that is not within everybody's power and is not easy. Our problem is not that we aim too high and miss, but that we aim too low and hit. Those who know, do. Those that understand, teach. For the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. A friend to all is a friend to none. Whosoever is delighted in solitude, is either a wild beast or a god. Learning is not child's play, we cannot learn without pain. The high-minded man must care more for the truth than for what people think. Men acquire a particular quality by constantly acting in a particular way. In all things of nature there is something of the marvelous. Excellence is an art won by training and habituation.